saya, tapi
That's not bad. We're at Tokyo Station because we're not like
in Osaka.
Osaka. So we went to Osaka. It's so cold.
Okay, arigatou gozaimasu. Nak charge apa-apa.
She wants to sleep already. I'm also sleeping as well.
Oh, ni semalam.
Got this and this and this. I don't remember if I eat
Ya, ada dengar lagi bah.
So kita sampai Airbnb, but I'll do the house tour tonight because I'm too tired.
Tenjo, Tomika, one piece casserole.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Do you faham?
Is it tiny one?
Ya, nak beli untuk kawan saya, tapi dia cakap dia
That's not Sunny Angel. That's Luna. Ni cantik. Pink.
dah.
I just sat down.
Nampak.
Lembut.
Angka notis kan, kedai halal kat Jepun kan.
Now we are waiting to go to the lunch spot.
Turun mana? Katil ni dekat bawah. Wow. Ini lepas tu.
Makan nasi lain sikit daripada
Gelak abah. Yeah, can't see your face. Really? Yeah. Thank you. So now we're in It's the biggest one. Kaisha, give me the bakul. Oh my gosh. So cute. So kawaii. It's the strawberry. Joy, banyak jauh. Ada bunyi. What is that?
Boleh lah kau mama. Ada perang dari Mati habis.
So we're done with our donkey shopping. It's so big and we bought a lot. Yeah.
Baik tu buat kuat terus lah.
Okay. I look myself very good.
Thank you.
Makan.
Dari mana dia ambil?
Jadi nak flakes ke? Ya.
Bisa.
Saya tunggu dia buat.
Okay. Dah. If I ketuk. Hi guys, we just got back, so now I will do a quick house tour of our Airbnb in Osaka. So this is the front entrance. Then here we have a bathroom, so shower, a laundry room, and another toilet. This is the second floor. So on the right we have a mini kitchen and a living room. Here we have a sink, and then it's another toilet. And then this is like what do you call it? Dojo room? I'm not sure. But it looks so cute. So this is the third floor. So this is the bedroom. We have 4 beds. And then here is the toilet, another room. From this room, we can night again. So this is the 4th floor. It's so cute. So we have like that below. And then out there, we have a patio. It looks like that.